Want to hit big trading but don't know where to start? Feels like everybody else is winning but you? Hey guys, this is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 2 decades. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it. Right here on this channel, I'm going to be sharing my journey so you guys can learn the easy way. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to hit big in trading. Guys, there's no shortcut to success. Trading takes time. You're not going to become good overnight, guys. Let's be honest. Let's face it. It's no easy answer. It'll be gradual. But what I can tell you is that you got to have faith in the process. You got to trust the journey. You shouldn't be comparing yourself to others. You got to work at your own pace. Because guys, before trying to make big profits, learn how the market moves, how to manage your risk, and how to control your emotions. Guys, that's true. Trading is 99% patience. 1% skill, 99% patience. Let the market come to you. Market's not going to give you every day. So if you try to take something which is not there, guess what? You're going to end up losing, guys. Don't do that. Don't rush. Let the market come to you. The stocks, I promise you guys, I've been doing it a long time. Everything is going to come to you. If you're patient enough, if you're willing to wait. I know it's not easy because including myself, we're very impatient. We want to get everything today, right now, overnight, right this second, but it doesn't work like that. You got to know how to control your emotions. It's very important, You got to be patient. You're going to lose. You're not going to win every day. You're not going to have profits every day. That's okay. That's okay. Every trader is going to lose. Every trader is going to lose at some point. You guys cannot win every day. What's important is that you're learning, because every lesson has a cost. So when you lose, just lock it in. Be like, all right, I learned a lesson and I move on, right? People are only going to show you their wins, right? They're going to be like, okay, hey, I made 10 million. Hey, I made 1 million. I made, 100,000 from 5,000. They're not going to tell you their struggles, how much they lost, how they got there, how they became an overnight success, right? So you cannot compare yourself to anybody else, right? Trading, it's not a quick race, guys. It's a marathon, right? Think of it like a marathon. You gotta keep running at a pace, but you gotta show up every day, right? Just hang in there. Don't give up, guys. There's gonna be days when you're not gonna feel like it, right? You're not gonna feel like it. We're gonna wake up. You're gonna feel lousy. You're gonna feel very down. That's okay. That's okay, guys. Take a break. Mental health is most important, right? You want to take a break? Take a break. Don't push yourself. Don't overdo it. The most important thing when you're trading, don't overdo. When you try to overdo, you're going to lose. There's some new traders who want to trade all the time. They're like, oh, I want to make a trade in this market. I want to make a trade here. I want to make a trade there. Guess what? The market is not going to give. You're going to lose it. So the first thing is you got to protect yourself. Guys, trust the process, and I can assure you, you'll make it, guys. At the end, I'm just going to say that I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I am a new channel. Make sure to subscribe, support the channel, and I will see you guys next time.